Today, we are going to draw Freddy Fox from Peppa Pig. Let's start with a teardrop shape for the head. Then, draw a simple line for the nose. Draw 2 triangles on top for the ears. Let's draw the face. Draw 2 small circles for eyes, and then add black dots inside. Make a happy smile and a cheek. Let's draw a nice round body. Add 2 arms and 2 legs. Last step, draw a fluffy tail. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.